Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork sisig, step by step. First, prepare your pork by boiling 1 to 2 pounds of pork belly, ears, or snout. Add aromatics such as bay leaves, whole peppercorns, and a teaspoon of salt to the water. Simmer the pork for approximately 1 hour until it becomes very tender. Afterward, drain the liquid and allow the pork to cool completely. Next, it is time to crisp up the pork. You can grill or pan-fry the boiled pork until it achieves a beautiful crispy texture with some charred bits. Once cooled, chop the pork into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. While the pork cools, prepare your aromatics by mincing 3 cloves of garlic and finely chopping 1 large red onion. Also, chop 2 to 3 fresh chilies. Now, let's bring it all together. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a skillet over medium heat. Sauté your minced garlic, chopped onions, and chilies until they become fragrant, which takes about 2 minutes. Add the chopped, crispy pork to the pan and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Season the mixture with 2 tablespoons of calamansi juice, 1 tablespoon of liquid seasoning, and a dash of black pepper. For a richer, creamier sisig, you can stir in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then, transfer your delicious sisig to a preheated sizzling plate for that classic presentation. Crack 1 raw egg directly on top of the hot sisig. The residual heat will cook it perfectly. Garnish with additional fresh chopped onions and serve immediately with a side of warm steamed rice. Enjoy your homemade pork sisig.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.